Didn't know this car could do this.
Me neither, it's my first time. So, we've done this 340i, and now we're doing this 340i.
440.
440 Gran Coupe with the wing.
Yes.
Yes. So what are the differences?
So, yeah. Okay. So yeah, you go. Cool. You go.
Go for it.
B58 power levels are very similar. Again, engine, the power performance-wise is built by Osprey. But the difference is this is running a bigger turbo. It's got the door Ultraflow X. It's not the core, it's actually the whole turbo, including the full turbo system. The exhaust manifold as well. It's running a Osprey billet inlet manifold. This should help inlet air temperatures, but again it's really hot, so we'll see. We'll see. Again, Osprey charge pipe. It's also got the R Sport charge cooler as well. But yeah, TU pump. It's running a DCAT as well. So yeah, this dynoed around 530 horsepower.
Nice.
But it was capped. It could do more. Yeah, it was capped.
Also Milway camber plates.
Camber plates. It also has. Well, is it the M3 control arms? Yeah. Yeah, it's got M3 control arms for about for some negative camber. This also went to Geo by Luke, but it's running 3 degrees. 3 degrees on the front. 3 degrees on the rear.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Brake pads.
DS 3.12.
Same. Very good. Happy.
Same braided lines as well. Braided lines. Yeah, braided lines. RBF 660 fluid. Cooling ducts from Speed Engineering. Yeah, Speed Engineering. Same cooling ducts, everything. Pretty much in terms of the brakes, it's the very same with that car. I do want to say, Luke did say to raise the rear a bit more.
Yeah.
He said you may not like it.
Okay. Let's see.
But yeah, it should be okay. In terms of suspension, it's not Bilstein's, it's the STX suspension. It's not dampening control. It's just ride high.
Okay.
It doesn't have the hard race rear toe bits at the back. However, it does have
small wing.
Yeah.
And performance.
So hopefully this should help in terms of cornering, but we'll see. Same exhaust setup, MPPSK, 437 wheels. Contact 7s. Yeah, Contact 7s, same setup in regards to the wheels and stuff. I feel like I'm missing one more. Yeah, LSD as well.
Okay.
LSD as well, so we should be able to manage the power.
Very good.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
Let's go. It has a sunroof, so extra weight on top. And different steering wheel. So.
And it's got the M3 seats, I believe.
Yes. Yeah. M3 comfort seats, yeah. All right. Well, let's go and do a lap. Alrighty. Front camber much better. Yeah. Turning is a lot better than the other car.
Didn't know this car could do this.
Me neither. It's my first time. Next mod. are good, but the engine temp is getting a bit high.
That's not good, but it's fun.
More stable than stock, so it's not a lot, but still gives a bit, tiny bit, and every bit helps.
Yeah, I was a bit concerned obviously with the size, having too much downforce on the rear and not enough on the front here.
Yeah. No active entertainment tools. Down from here,
yeah,
the track goes uphill and the engine temp's a bit high.
Plus 120?
Yeah. I mean, it fluctuates between 115 and 120, but that's really high. Oh, it's yellow anyway.
Oh.
heat mod, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nice. But yeah, the handling is great, and the brakes are also good. Tires, geometry, I love it. Like handling was fantastic.
Yes, well done,
Yeah, but the heat soak really killed the fun.
Yes.
Because we even we slow down half a lap,
Even halfway, yeah.
not to put any stress on the climbing bit, and then yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, time for some more research, development, really.
Yeah.
See what's out there in the market.